Conversations with founders and builders here in DC.
I'm Rick Gilchrist. I'm the founder CEO of Vannadium. Started Vannadium back in 2021, but it's an amalgamation of all my 17 other startups. A golden thread through every one of these has always been data and how valuable that data really is. An understanding of making business decisions or personal decisions based upon data that you can trust. We developed a protocol that will allow us to create true data sovereignty. We initially started this to solve issues with the black boxing of data. We saw patients not being able to get access to all their patient medical records, having those updated. There were medical institutions, clinical research trial organizations. There was supply chain. There were various highly regulated industries that didn't have transparency in their data. It can be applied so many different ways. It can be applied to shorten the medical credentialing life cycle from weeks to a day. It can facilitate T0 compliance for fintech settlements. It can be applied directly to healthcare records and being able to tokenize different disparate sources into one patient medical record that's being updated in real time. And now that patient can share it with a new provider. And now we can control who views, transacts, uses that data, and permissively revoke access to that data. We have 10 patents posted on our core technology. That core technology is called Diffusion, and that Diffusion technology unlocked something that nobody thought could really be unlocked. We can now stream data directly from hardware, like a body cam, like medical telemetry, like from your phone, with zero use of cloud or hardware storage directly on chain. This means we can stream content directly on chain, have access from chain back down to social media, back down through distribution channels. And now digital rights management start from point of origin and can be tracked in perpetuity. This means that when a streaming service moves everything into distributed blockchain storage, that when their cloud provider goes down, they don't. It truly is leaping over the technology that currently exists. My favorite thing to do is disconnect is cooking. But the DMV now has a entire bevy of Michelin-rated star restaurants, and I'm a big foodie, and any place I can try new that becomes part of the fabric at DC is just a great way to spend time. There are some amazing leaders within all these organizations. I'm excited to see everybody finally get on the same page because there were so many efforts being made over the last 4 or 5 years. But now you've got these organizations, these associations, working together. They're organizing larger scale efforts and they're talking to each other, realizing that there is plenty of space for everybody to be able to work together. Whether you're talking about GBA or DAO, all of these now are finally coalescing to know where places and opportunities exist for everybody. That means that there are more jobs. It means that technology is advancing in a way that is providing development use. And I think that's one of the areas where we're going to be able to grow as a technology corridor where we didn't have that opportunity 5, 10, 20 years ago. So for me, it's great to see a community finally coming together underneath the efforts of what's happening in politics all the way down to these practical use cases.